Thank you, Ciarán, and I would like to thank Sinn Féin for sharing some of their time with the technical group this evening on this joint motion. And I think I would also like to recognise the fact that the government appears to be accepting the motion, and I think that's very important and progressive as well. Over the summer, I had the honour of hosting the Palestinian ambassador in Donegal, where he visited, and along with my colleagues Micheál Cullen, Miguel Asperg, and the Cathaoirleach of Donegal County Council, John Campbell, we participated in a public meeting, and it was heartening to see the support coming from the ordinary people of Donegal for the cause of the Palestinian people at a very difficult time for them when their people were being slaughtered by the Israelis in Gaza. And I think this motion reflects the mood of all the Irish people in wanting to recognise Palestine as a state, and I think it's a very important step for us as a nation to take. Particularly, I think, when we see that we abstained on a vote in the UN during that crisis over the summertime, stating that it was something to do with the EU or that. But I think that did damage to us as a nation and that abstention, and I think it undermined the independence we had in our foreign policy over the years and the progressive steps we had taken towards trying to support the Palestinian people in their struggle. Like other deputies, everybody I think has received an email from a group of Israelis with a petition asking that we would support the recognition of Palestine. And I think it's useful just to read it into the record, where they state that we, the undersigned citizens of Israel who wish for it to be a safe and thriving country, are worried by the continued political stalemate, the occupation and the settlement activities that lead to further confrontations with Palestinians and quash any chances for compromise. It is clear that the prospects for Israel's security and the existence depend on the existence of a Palestinian state alongside Israel. Israel should recognise the state of Palestine, and Palestine should recognise the state of Israel, based on the June 4th, 1967 borders. Your initiative for recognition of the state of Palestine will advance the prospects for peace and will encourage Israelis and Palestinians alike to bring an end to their conflict. That petition is signed by 900 prominent Israelis, including former high-ranking soldiers as well. And I think it's in contrast to the email received from the Israeli ambassador this evening to all members, where he states that pressure from outside on one side or the other of the parties will achieve nothing and can only further entrench hardened attitudes. I think the only hardened attitudes that will be entrenched will be the Israeli attitudes. And when you see the 900 Israeli citizens that sent this petition to us, I think it's important to support them as well as the Palestinian people, and to try and bring some measure of sense to the Israeli government and have a real and lasting peace based on the 67 borders. And while ultimately a single state solution is the best solution, maybe by recognising each other's borders on 67 we can achieve a single state at some stage in the future.